ஷக்கீலா இந்த படத்துக்கு முதல் வாய்ப்பு எப்படி கிடைச்சது?
Director is my good friend because he was supposed to cast me for his previous film, one Kannada film. He's a famous Kannada director, and I have worked in 8 languages earlier. I've done about 26 films in Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, Konkani, Goan films, and all that. So he had approached me for his Kannada film 3 years ago. At that time, my dates were clashing. I couldn't do that film. Later on, he said, I will definitely come with my next film. No saying no for that film. I said, okay, sure. Some 2 years later, he called me. He said, remember that promise you gave me? I said, what promise? Film. I said, oh, yeah, sure, definitely. But this is not Kannada film, he said. Then what language film are you doing? Kannada director, no, you are. He said, no, I'm doing a biopic on Shakila, and this is going to be in 5 languages. And all that. I said, oh, biopic on Shakila, it's like a big responsibility. I said, you're offering me Shakila's role? He said, no, there's a much more, even better role. There's another nice role which is like made for you. You have to do it. So I was curious, like if see, Richa Chadha is playing Shakila. In Shakila's film, who is more important than Shakila? Shakila only, no. So he said, no, there's one character nobody else knows about. People have only seen final product on the screen, Shakila. But nobody knows before and after, the process, her actual life. So there are so many more important things, 99% of the things which are to be told to the world, which are really revealing and very eye-opening characters of her life. So, and he started explaining this character to me. When I understood, it's like so beautiful. I said, even I never knew about this. He said, nobody knows except Shakila, and she wants to put this character in this film. She is the one who told us about this person. So I said, then definitely, it's a surprise factor in the film. I took it up. This is the first time I'm taking up a supporting heroine's role. Otherwise, I've always played either solo heroine, the typical heroine, hero, heroine, family drama, multi-starrers, that kind of a film. So I thought it is challenging, interesting, and most importantly, surprising for audience, for us, for everybody. So it's a very good character. I took it up. And as and when I got involved in the project, got deeper, got to know more and more about it, today, now to this day, I believe that it's a very good decision that I have made. I'm very happy with the role, the film, the way it has shaped up. So I'm really looking forward. I have not known her before. Neither have I watched her films because a generation is different. By the time I grew up and I started opening my eyes, though this is movies, theatres, by that time she has left that line of work. She started doing character roles and all this. And I never happened to know her as that Shakila that was a superstar, which everybody else knew. I have heard her name, like how we heard about Silk Smita. By the time I was born, she was no more. But still we have heard about her, that oh, she was a South siren, it seems. Same way about Shakila also, it seems, I have heard. But I never showed interest on who she is, her personal life. It never came to my mind that I have to know more about her. But because of this film, when they approached me, I got this curiosity. Who is this person, Appa? That people are wanting to do a film on her, 5 language film, so big film. Who she would be? Like Silk Smita, we know. What is Shakila? Who is Shakila? Why is such a big film on her? What so interesting story? Then I went, Googled, I went through articles. The director told me so many things. Richa Chadha told me so many things. That is when I opened my eyes to this person. Not forget the South Siren, forget her films. A person called Shakila, a woman of that era, in those times, in that society, that mindset. She has done things which even today, I would think twice, 100 times and at the end say no. No matter how difficult the situation, it is very hard to take the decisions she has taken, to do the things she has done. I thought, oh, this is a very interesting human being, very interesting person. And I got more curious. So that is how I got to know Shakila. First I was nervous. First I thought, oh my God, frankly, even if they told me to play Shakila, even if it is so big film, I wouldn't be able to play. Because I have my own mind block. I have my own limitations. How much ever guts, it doesn't count. To do such a role, it takes a lot of guts and mindset. So when I was first approached, because see, it's not just me. I have my family, I have my surroundings, my image, my work, my career, my everything is connected to my decisions and what I do. So when I first got this role, I thought, oh my God, now again, will there be too much exposing? And because you cannot do a Shakila film without that, because that is a part of her life. Whether we like it or not, if you say Shakila, this is attached to her. We cannot ignore it. And it is a part of her identity. So I cannot say I will not do. But at the same time, as an actor, I am greedy to do a good role. It is not the typical, not every actor doesn't get different kinds of roles to play. I cannot say no because somewhere I want to do, somewhere I'm scared, I'm nervous, I have to tell my family, I am doing other films in which I'm doing such exact opposite roles. Oh my god, how to do this? But when he told me, then I thought, see, when I got to know the story, then I understood that the story is much more important than all these other discussions. That story to come on screen, and when it comes on screen, what people are going to understand, no, that lesson is so much more valuable than all this discussion. How to do, what to do, whether I want to do, not. Then I said, let me just open my mind. The main process was to, my mind blocks had to open. Physical changes is last. But mind and emotions, all this had to be worked on a lot. I had to work, think, decide, redecide. Till the first day of shoot, I was still thinking, should I do, should I not do? Will I be able to do, will I not be able to do? And it is not even about the exposing part, because in this film, it is not that part. That is, see, films were a part of Shakila's life, not her whole life. She has had life before she got into films, after she left films, while doing films also. After shooting, she had a life, no? So films were a part of her life. Other than that also, so many things have happened in her life, in her personal life. This film is about that, about the rest of the life which we have not seen, not heard, not known about. Only when we showed that she used to work in films, we had to show a certain part just to depict. It is hardly of 1 or 2 shots, and that also we did not have to do. Today, by the grace of God, technology has reached so far that we have dupes, and she only had used dupes. But today we have so many other processes wherein the actual actor doesn't have to do anything, no. So all that they explained to me. Even though on screen it will look like you all did, today you will not have to do it. It will be shown as you, but you don't have to bother about all that. You only have to be able to handle when your family watches, and when everybody asks you questions, you must be able to give it an answer. That's all, but you don't have to worry about all this. Then I said, okay, fine. Now that tension is gone. I don't have to do anything. Okay. Now, acting part. The character I'm playing is multi-layered. Yeah. See, I am not her mother. Normally in films, how it is: brother, sister, mother, father, daughter, girlfriend, lover. These characters. I am none of that. I am not her mother. I am not her sister. I am not her friend. I am not her any relative. Nothing. But I am everything. I am her whole world. There was a point in her life when her family left, everybody left. Industry banned her, family left her, no friends, no. Only my character was with her. So this character is very strong. Like how Shakila said, at certain points, if you actually see, stronger than Shakila, and more important than Shakila herself in her life. She has given her shelter. She has sacrificed, which even own family hasn't. In her case, her family hasn't done it. But this person who was nothing to her did everything for her. So to play that role, maybe I did not have the maturity of age. In my age, how much I would have lived. But her life is deeper, harder, more challenging. For me to understand that much and to go in that depth, to understand the seriousness, it took time. But in time, after first day of shoot I finished, I went back to my hotel room and cried for whole night, because I thought I have taken such a big responsibility. I can't, and see, Pankaj Tripathi is a very good actor. Richa Chadda they are veteran actors. They are senior in so many ways to me, experience wise in their journey. They have proved themselves. In the whole team, I am the youngest. And I have to cope up. I shouldn't look like a fool when I'm acting with them. So many of them are acting. I am just standing at front. So I'm thinking, oh my God, did I make a mistake getting into such a big responsibility? But then I said, no, maybe God has put me here for a reason. I have to, whatever it is, my mom also said me, give your best. Rest will happen. Even if you give your best and then it doesn't happen, then it is God's will. But give your best. From second day, I started, okay, whatever happens, I leave all my inhibitions, my assumptions, my judgments, everything I kept aside. I went on the set and started living Shakila's life. They are happy. They are excited. They are nervous because they don't know. I have not told them about. I did not tell them because there is no fun. Now, how even to you? If I tell everything, film patran nothing, no. So I've told them in bits and pieces. So they are like, what is that? What is? I'm like, because I'm sure there is nothing like that. I'm for sure, because I have always focused on doing work which my parents should be proud about. When they watch the film, they should feel proud of me, not ashamed. My dad should be able to tell his friends, come, let's watch my daughter's film. So that has always been on my mind. So I am sure that this film will make them happy and proud in many ways.
For your family, right?
Yes. My family is very supportive. I'm the only child. and whatever interest I have shown in like whatever field I have said, like I started as a singer, musician, and classical dancer. I never thought I'll get into films. But when I started that, also my family was supportive. And later on, when films came into my life and I started doing films also, they have been very supportive and positive throughout. I have always admired Tamil industry from before. Like even before I got into films, I used to like Tamil. Even today, I like because of the simplicity and the realistic nature. They don't expect a star to be the same as they are on screen. If I am like this on screen, they don't expect. I can be human after my film. After my film released, I can stand outside the theater looking like this, and they will not judge me for that. I like that Tamil audiences and Tamil industry has this way of treating people as people first, then star, then actor, all these things. Another thing is also I like the subjects they choose. All these things I've admired. I have wanted to work in Tamil films from before. When I started doing films also, they used to ask what kind of films you want to do. So I used to say I don't want to do the typical heroine roles, only looking nice, only wearing pretty clothes and dancing in songs. I wanted to perform. I wanted to try something new, challenging. If I'm doing, let me do something new. So at that point of time also Tamil was a choice, and I got a few films initially. But when I started, I was also doing college. So I was studying in Bombay. I had to come down for meetings every time and giving dates, college, attendance, all these things. And my family was more focused on my studies. They also were not very keen on me doing films. So was I. Even I wanted to complete my education first and then take films seriously. So due to those reasons, back then it did not work out. But I did a few ad films. I did the VV Sugar ad, which really did well. I got a lot of following from Chennai and Tamil audience because of ads. I was like, when I did the ad, I thought one small ad, who will notice? But many people noticed and got in touch. So I believe that audience has that taste of choosing. Even if it's a small job you do, they notice you, they appreciate you. All these things I appreciate. I really look forward that I be able to do good content oriented, performance oriented, some nice role or some nice films in the future.
ஷக்கிலா வந்து இந்த படத்தை பார்த்தாங்களா? ஸோ உங்களை ஏதாவது அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணாங்களா? ஷக்கிலாவோட மெயின் குரூப்பை நீங்கள் மீட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? ஸோ ஏதாவது க்ரோ த்ரூ பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா உங்களுக்கு?
I did not meet her.
Okay.
I only met Shakila. Even Shakila I did not meet before the shoot, during the shoot. I first time met Shakila after the shoot.
Okay.
I only heard about her. And in a way, it is good that I did not meet her. If I met her, I would have had over involvement. I would have gotten too attached. That would have sometimes too much knowing is also minus. Knowing little, we can add more, we can think more. It gives more space. So I hadn't met her before, and I've still not met the character I am playing. Because for some reasons, even Shakila said that she is not in touch with that girl right now due to some other, like the story has gone ahead. After the film also many things have happened which they are not in touch in, so hereafter, right now. So I did not meet her, but meeting Shakila has changed many things for me, I feel. Because see, I as a person also whatever she has done, she did it for family. One is that, see, we are all like that. See, even I am very much attached to my family. We do so many things for our family. We think of, like even I said, when I do a film, any decision we take, we think, oh, my dad, my mom, my family. So she's also like that. She's in so many ways, she's like all of us. Even though on the outside it has looked like she did soft porn or she did vulgar films. At the end, the underlying reason is for what she did all that. For her family. What she would have killed herself for family. That bonding, that attachment. Second thing I connected to her was on her faith in God. She believes in God so much. Even in the film it is shown. Even now when she talks, you can see, she'll say, people might leave me, my family might leave me, my career might leave me, my God will not leave me. Because I have not done wrong to anybody. I have not done bad or thought bad intentions. I never did it for anybody. So why will God let anything bad happen to me? Humans might do bad, but God will not do bad to me, she always says. Somewhere even I have been brought up in the same belief. Even when I make my choices, decisions, I always think, if I have never done bad to anyone, why will any bad things happen to me? So it is such a nice thought. It has just revived my whole thought process. I used to think like that, but seeing her, I have felt that it is right. That thinking is so right. You might lose money, but you will not lose dignity. Even today if she sits, no matter what films she has done, yesterday she came in the press meet, she sat, she will talk, she'll look into your eyes and talk, because her heart is not corrupt. She knows what she has done, why she has done, and she has an answer to every question. That is what I admire about her, and I got to learn from her.
Yesterday she told to அட்வைஸ் டு ஹீரோயின்ஸ் யங்கஸ்ட்
Yeah, yeah.
அதாவது வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து தப்பு பண்ணாலும் என்ன மாதிரி வந்து இருக்காதீங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் அதை புரிஞ்சிட்டிங்களா என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க?
Yes, yes, because see, like even I added to it saying that see, we have to learn from everyone's life. Not see, like in her case, everybody's family wouldn't be like her family. They wouldn't leave and run away like how she says her family did. But at the same time, her family did no. So we cannot tell one human being is like this. Everybody's mothers are the same. Everybody's fathers are the same. But being responsible and being cautious is correct. Not just for heroines, I think for everybody, for all women. Women especially, why I say is because women are meant to be mostly said to be selfless. Once they get attached to a person, even if it is a common, not film star, doesn't have to be a film star, but any girl, when she's attached to her parents, she will do for her parents. Then she'll get married, she'll do for her husband. Then she'll get children, she'll do for her children. She will, as time goes, she forgets about herself easily. For a woman, it is very easy to forget about herself. That is what she's trying to say. Don't forget, do for others, but don't forget yourself. Love others, but don't forget to love yourself. Respect yourself. Always know your value. You know that if, now even in her case, while doing for others, somewhere if she had kept her thing, be it her respect, be it her money, little if she had kept for herself, she wouldn't have had to go through all that she did in these years. So that is what she's trying to tell the younger generation, other girls, that don't do the mistake I did. Do for others, I won't say don't do at all, but also do something little bit for yourself. One is that I cried because I have done 26 films. Even in my first film ever, I was not nervous because I have been on stage. I'm a stage performer, classical dancer. So whenever it came to songs, I'm not stressed. When it comes to facing camera, I'm not worried because from small age, from 8-year-old, I have been on stage. So crowd fear, stage fear, I never had. And my mother has always, even now she is with me. So when I see my mother, my family is there, I have always been confident that way. This is the first film I felt like as if this is my first film. That nervousness. And that is what I think somewhere I connected how Shakila would have felt when she was 16 years old doing those films. What trauma, tension, emotional turmoil.
You mentioned that.
Yeah, I connected to that. I will not forget. I think this film, I more than in age, I grew in many other ways. I grew mentally. So many things. We are sometimes, in our generation, we are born in safe families, full backup, family protection. Nice school, nice society. So many things we have not seen in our life. We have not seen tough times. We have not seen difficulties. We have not seen poverty. We have not seen family leaving us alone, helplessness. We have heard, we have read. But there is this person who has gone through all of it together at the same time. You are alone, you are 16-year-old, you are nobody, no money, no father. How difficult it would have been. All that I heard, but I realized in this film. I felt it. That is my memorable journey, I can say.
Super. Total film output எப்படி வந்திருக்கு? So you fulfilled that your character?
Yes. I'm very happy with my character. I'm glad. Many people say you should have played Shakila. I am not greedy. I wouldn't. I will play Shakila the day I am, the day comes. God knows when I deserve that role, and when it comes, I will do. But for today, right now, I'm happy playing Suhana. I'm very happy with my role. I'm happy with all the lessons I learnt, with the way the product has come out, the way the movie has come out, the way my character is established in the film. I love it all, and I'm very happy. And I'm looking for, and also to enter Tamil industry. I used to think, which film might be my first Tamil film, appa? How I will enter Tamil films? People used to say you should do Tamil films. I used to think, yes, sir, but which Tamil film? I used to not know. I'm glad that this is that film. With people can see my performance, people can see my appearance, everything in a very decent way. I will at least, if not appreciate or say wow, people will at least notice me, is my expectation. Let's see how it goes.
Tell me your future projects.
For now, I have done, I have completed 3 Kannada movies, which were about to release this year, but this year has been a holiday. So yes, those 3 films are up for release. Shakila is there, and I have signed up a new film which is yet to start. But they're all most of my work is in either Telugu, Konkani or Kannada so far. Nothing in Tamil yet. Let's see. Hopefully something comes up. I'm looking forward for a nice project in Tamil soon.
All the best for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.